Good morning.
Now we are standing in the airport TMP building. This is the first production building. We are going to start from the Siddipeth. From here only our first product is going to deliver to DMI. Our main product is we already existing product RGGL and Spirulina we already planned. Some batches also, trial batches also we completed. We kept as a W to stock. Now actually why we are planning to give the new product from the Siddipeth means actually the Dr. Lim is told that we need to concentrate on the single-use products. Single-use means now we are going to jumping into the Ayush pharmaceutical. Ayush pharmaceutical means it's a lot of benefits, having a lot of benefits to the human being. So that's why as per the Dr. Lim guidance, we are planning to shift to go for the single-use product also. So 30 herbals we already planned. Some trials are already be taken. Actually here I want to give some of the additional details to you. For getting the products, actually you are the main seller for us, okay? So you want to know the technical details, something to explain about the technical, about the product and also the process. So if you are considering any product, the three major things are very important: physical, chemical, biological. These three things are very, very important for any of the product in the world. So in this factory, we already set all the technical based on the science and technology. Currently updated one, we already updated in this factory. Now we are going to see what are the technology we have in this factory. Let's go.
All stand up. Follow me, melle, melle. Photos okay. अरे पूरा चप्पल निकालो.
Good morning.
मलेशिया जाके सभी ना पूरा चप्पल.
Now you are seeing the tablet making process. How the tablets we are producing from this factory. What are the technology we are using? Just they are giving the process flow here.
This is Spirulina.
Yeah, Spirulina. Now we plan to change our shape as per the Malaysia standard. Malaysia we are producing the triangle shape. Here in India we are producing the hexagon shape. From the hexagon shape to we are plan to go for the triangle.
Okay, what is the advantage in triangle shape? No, only shape.
Shape only. We plan to meet as a Malaysia standard.
Malaysia.
Yes.
होलसेल में आएगा क्या बाद में?
The right side you can see what are the machinery facility we have in the right side. What are the products we plan to produce in the factory that you can see in the left side.
The main shape for a tablet powder. Oh, okay. Now we will implement
New tablet.
green
type. Malaysian standard.
Malaysia standard tablet.
Malaysian standard is
ये powder.
What's the match number? एक बार बताना मैं करूँगा।
Any capsules are having the defect, automatically camera will detect and it will go to the rejection.
Okay.
That much accuracy system we have.
By weight, na?
Hello.
ये सारा मशीन आप जो देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे सारा प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है इस तरह से ये देखो फीलिंग
अरे वो मूसली सफ़ेद मूसली सफ़ेद मूसली और सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटी
सतावरी अलग है, मूसली अलग है। ये लेना, ये Dxn सतावरी। पूरा आयुर्वेद सीरीज आ गया अब, क्यों? बढ़िया।